You should know by now that a well-cleaned face is the perfect canvas for your other skincare products. In fact, it helps accentuate their benefits by allowing better penetration and absorption. Have you guessed today's topic? If you said cleansers, then you're not completely wrong. Today, we're talking about soaps. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Beauty Talks. On this show, we dive deep into everything related to skincare in order to help you perfect your routine and get a healthy, radiant complexion. Soaps are considered great cleansers. However, in recent years, they have been labeled too harsh or irritating, resulting in more people trying to avoid them when it comes to skincare. So, in today's episode, I want to shift your opinion as we unveil the importance of soap, their benefits, and their different types, while presenting you with a few recommendations. Without further ado, let's get started. The importance of soaps. Clean formulas. If you ever picked up a shower gel bottle or a cleanser gel bottle, you might notice an abundance of ingredients listed. That is because cosmetics companies add preservatives to those products that can potentially be harmful to your skin's health. Unlike those products, soaps are made with pure natural ingredients that won't cause your skin to break out or become irritated. Save you money. If you are new to skincare or don't like to spend a lot on skincare products, then using soaps as cleansers will be your holy grail. Even soaps that are smaller in size than a regular soap could last you months. Eco-friendly. A great reason to think of incorporating soaps into your routine is that they are zero waste and practical when traveling. Soaps are made in a green way. They are biodegradable and their packaging doesn't require any plastic. So, when you are finished with a bar of soap, you won't have to deal with an empty plastic bottle. Benefits of soaps. Effectively cleans the skin. Without a good cleanser, your face can easily rack up buildups of dirt and oil, which can lead to clogged pores, acne breakouts, skin irritations, and even premature aging. You should choose a soap that fits your exact concerns. Refreshes you. A cleanser can come after a long day at work or a good night's sleep and help you feel more refreshed and energized. Because facial cleansing bars are gentle on the skin, they won't leave your skin feeling itchy or looking red. Treats skin concerns. Before creams, serums, and all that, people had to depend on the powers of soap to heal certain skin problems. Today, there are a lot of variation in different cleansing bars, and selecting one that is formulated specifically for your skin problems can help tremendously with the process of treatment and prevention. Exfoliates the skin. Exfoliating once or twice a week is inevitable to help the skin in its rejuvenating process. Soaps are all-natural cleansing bars specially made to exfoliate while being mild on the skin, carefully removing dead skin cells from your face without irritating it. Different types of soaps. There are numerous types of soap that claim to be gentle and efficient, and that can treat the skin effectively. Let's check out a few of them. A soap for all skin types. If you're looking to switch from gel cleansers to soaps, I would recommend that you start with the BB Clear soaps. These soaps have a 5-in-1 formula that can help treat all skin concerns and provide the skin with the required nourishment. However, and as always, choose the most suitable soap for your skin type. If you deal with dry or normal skin, give the BB Clear Clarifying Soap a go as it is extremely nourishing and won't irritate your skin. If you deal with oily or combination skin, choose the BB Clear Exfoliating Soap as it will effectively cleanse the skin from excess sebum and provide it with proper hydration. A soap with an extra boost of hydration. You can't go wrong with a good hydrator. They can help create a barrier that will prevent your skin from looking dull or tired. A great soap recommendation would be the BB Clear Vitamin C Soap. As mentioned previously, the BB Clear family has a 5-in-1 formula perfect for getting rid of all those imperfections. This soap, however, has an extra boost of vitamin C that can help improve your skin's overall health and radiance. A soap for acne-prone skin. The main cause of acne is clogged, dirty pores. So, your main goal should be to find a cleanser that not only cleans your face well, but can also penetrate deep into the layers of the skin without irritating it. A great cleanser for acne-prone skin is the Pro White Soap. This unique formula, made with shea butter and egg yolk, gently yet effectively cleanses your pores and relieves your skin from any redness, making it look clearer and more radiant. A soap for treating skin conditions. For those who deal with skin conditions such as eczema, rosacea, and psoriasis, using a soap that contains avocado oil can help heal dry, irritated, and flaky skin associated with these skin conditions. For that reason, I would like to recommend the Luxury Avocado Soap. It works as an amazing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredient and is extremely gentle on the skin. That's it for today's video. I hope that this video will encourage you to start using soaps as cleansers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!